Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ricky Baby, your host and your occasional comedian. Tonight we're making baked salmon with Dijon mustard. Okay, so this is my ingredients: salmon, fresh salmon, 1.5 pounds, and this is my garlic, minced garlic, fresh garlic. You have to be fresh garlic. My 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon, my 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, of course, olive oil, 1 tablespoon, and melted butter, unsalted butter, and my fresh lemon, and my other recipe, as I told you, my mushrooms. So I already sliced it, and my dry vermouth, extra dry, my garlic powder as usual, my garlic, my salt, and this is how I'm using the Dijon mustard, gris poupon. So okay, and this is for my another 3 cloves of garlic that I have to use for the mushrooms, and another tablespoon of olive oil and unsalted or salted butter. Okay. So before we start the mushrooms, we have to do the ingredients with my salmon. So what you're going to do is put this together. So let's mix this together. The 1 tablespoon of gris poupon Dijon mustard. And then my butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. Then the olive oil. Okay. And the 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon. Don't buy the one in the store that it's already processed. So, and then my fresh minced garlic. This is a simple recipe, but healthy recipe, okay? Fresh and healthy recipe. Of course, our fresh garlic. Parsley, sorry. Fresh parsley. Okay. So what are we gonna do? Let's mix this together. Okay, see that? Let me get more lights here. So let's mix this together. Now, after we're mixing it, I have to put the garlic powder. Okay, garlic powder. And a sprinkle of salt. Don't put too much salt. And I have black pepper. Okay, black pepper. Okay, now let's use the basting to spread our what do you call this, ingredients. Okay. There we go. So let's press this. Simple recipe, healthy recipe, okay? This is good. Let's put garlic. The more garlic you put in, if you love garlic, the more the salmon will taste better. Okay, more basting. So, okay. So if you prepare everything in advance, your ingredients, you slice everything, you chop the garlic in advance, so it will save you time and speed up. So, ooh. Okay. This is here. Now, our fresh lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's check our oven. Let's see how many degrees now. I did preheat the oven. It's still 380 degrees. So while waiting for that, let's start our cooking here. Let me just put this aside. To be here. So let's start our another dish. Welcome to RICKYBABY's kitchen. I'm cooking salmon tonight. Baked salmon with Dijon mustard in RICKYBABY's kitchen. RICKYBABY's kitchen. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is a little bit of oil, just a little, because we're gonna do the rest later. Okay. And a little bit of garlic. Next, the mushrooms. Okay, so here. Okay, so you have to stir the mushrooms until the juice extract from the mushrooms. Okay, so you keep stirring it, mixing it. Okay. That's going to be good. So this is my dry vermouth to add in later, okay? So I just want to prepare it. This is a good mushroom. So have you noticed my mushroom? It was white mushroom. Now it's going to be starting to turn brown. So when it's exactly brown, little bit of light brown, this is the time you have to add additional garlic and butter. And also you have to put your fire into high heat, okay? High. Until the mushroom extract its juices. Okay, if you notice over there, that's the juice for the mushroom. Now we're gonna add butter and the rest of the olive oil and the rest of the garlic. Ooh, that. Now let's sprinkle with a little bit of salt just to taste it. And now we have to add this. Ooh, my 2 tablespoons of dry vermouth. Okay. You just wait for a few minutes. So you see this juice right here? So you can use this we're gonna pull it out, and we can use this as our dressing later for our salad. Okay, now let's go back to our salmon. Now it's 425 degrees. So here, okay, so let's time it. Kitchen timer, 15 minutes. Okay, and then let's come back later. Let me try my mushrooms. Okay, stir one more, and let's pull it out. This one. Okay. Okay, you see? Okay, we're good. So, let's turn it off. I can remove the mushrooms. Okay. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, time is up. 15 minutes is over. It's now 0. So cook in 425 degrees. Okay, okay, woo! It looks good. Ooh. Okay. That's right. Let me see. Perfect. Feels good. Really good. This is my part right here. Try Ricky Baby's Kitchen. Simple cooking, 15 minutes, done. Now, I'll try with my mushrooms, okay? So, let's get one. Okay. So let's try. Let's do some eating. Ricky Baby's Kitchen. Now, this is my dinner. So this is my mushrooms. So this is spinach, baby spinach, and arugula. So in addition to my dish, I'm gonna put this on top. Eat that. Ooh, so healthy cooking. Now, juices of the mushrooms that I have, take it out in my cooking dish. So this is it. Either you can use, guys, vinegar it for your dressing, and this is the juice from the mushrooms that with dry vermouth. So I'm gonna use this as my dressing. Not dressing, dressing. Okay, so let me try it. If you have a white wine, the good pairing for the white wine is the rosé or Sauvignon Blanc. Okay? Okay. My first bite. Look at this one, man. Very good. Oh, look here. It's juicy. Okay? See the juice right here? It's too juicy, the salmon. See that? Look at this. See that salmon right here? See the texture? Really good. See that? So juicy. Then you can add the lemon squeeze if you want additional flavor. Okay, so let's continue. I need to sit down to do my eating. I want to feel the taste of the salmon with my mushrooms and spinach with a regular. And again, you can use your own dressing. You can use vinegar, and it's according to the pairing of wine. The best pairing for wine on salmon is Sauvignon Blanc or Rosé because of the acidity of the wine. Again, guys, thank you for watching my channel, Ricky Baby Travel and Culinary Vlog. Before I get out, here's my short dance for you. Thank you for watching Ricky Baby's Kitchen. I do the cooking, you do the watching. Okay? I hope you learn the simple dish and healthy dish that you can do the cooking despite of our busy day. Today is salmon with salad, no steamed rice. Again, no steamed rice today. Just salmon and my spinach and baby arugula. Baby spinach and arugula. Of course. Let's continue my last. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This is your host, Ricky Baby. Bye-bye.